called her Sophie. This is Camden Market. Oh yeah. Good morning everybody. It is our 6th day here in London. 7th day. Di po talaga ako magaling sa math, guys. Sorry. It is 9:40 maybe in the morning. We are currently making our way to Baker Street to the Sherlock Holmes Museum. We're gonna take a look at that really quickly before taking the tube to the Natural History Museum, which is another thing that we want to see. Today is a little bit more of a chill day. We don't really have anything specifically planned. We were supposed to go to Camden Market. I think we're still gonna do that. But tonight we got dinner with Hannah, my friend from college. So we're gonna have dinner with her and then go back to the apartment and pack for Scotland because we're leaving for Edinburgh tomorrow. I am using my new Drew House sweatshirt, which I love. And it's great because it's nice and thick because it's really cold today. It's raining just a little bit though, so thank goodness it's not too strong of a rain. Hopefully it dies down soon. It's about a 20-minute walk. I am on my second memory card. The first one was 64 gig and I finished it, so here's hoping I can find a camera shop and buy more memory cards. I'll catch you guys when we're at the Sherlock statue and Sherlock Museum.
Eventually.
We made it to Baker Street and here is the statue of Sherlock Holmes, the great detective. You can't miss him, he's literally by the station. Fun fact for you guys, Sherlock Holmes is actually one of Trina's favorite fictional characters because of Benedict Cumberbatch.
My love. You're saying penguin.
Penguin.
We learned already, right?
Penguin.
So why are these woodlands so attractive to penguins?
So that is the famous statue.
Massage.
I'm glad that we all got a picture with it. Now we're making our way to the Sherlock Holmes Museum. This is a privately owned museum that I think you have to pay an entrance fee for. Have a look around and then we'll take the tube to the Natural History Museum next. It stopped raining, by the way. Oh, God is so good. Now for the Sherlock Holmes Museum. We found it. I entered the gift shop in order to buy the tickets and oh my gosh, they have everything. They have his hat, they have a top hat, they have a pocket watch, they have the pipe, and everybody inside, I didn't see, everybody inside is dressed old-fashioned. So like, it's so cute. Like, look at him, he's just so cool. For 3 adults, it was £45. I mean, it's a little pricey, but it's a privately owned museum. And it's Sherlock Holmes, how can you not? Casually, you know, stumbling upon murder scenes and crime scenes. Sherlock Holmes, everybody.
You should sign your name. I signed
Sherlock Holmes. Okay. Are we good?
Yes.
This was an interesting house. We're gonna make our way downstairs to the gift shop. I mean, if you're a really big fan of Sherlock Holmes, then this is definitely a stop that you have to make. If you don't really know who he is, then, I mean, I don't really think there's a need. But it's very cute. And it's a nice little inside look into what a house would look like during this time.
20 minutes later.
We made it to Gloucester. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And we're just walking to the Natural History Museum. It's our second museum for the day. I mean, technically the Sherlock one wasn't like a big museum, but it was still definitely something to see. I'm thinking we'll have like 2 or 3 hours maybe there, and then make our way to Camden so we can have like a late lunch and explore before we head to Hannah. Today has been productive. It's been busy, but it's been fun, and I'm glad that we're a little bit more relaxed today, but still following sort of like an itinerary. Mom and Trina are back there.
I really need to pee.
We may have gotten a little lost. No thanks to Google Maps. We were with another group of Asian tourists who were like getting lost as well, but we made it to the Natural History Museum. Coming in real quick to just tell you guys that giant skeleton that you just saw, yeah, that was a sloth back in the day. I know, good luck sleeping at night. Up at the Natural History Museum. We only went to the dinosaur exhibit and a couple of the stones because we're pressed for time, but if you guys have a free day in London, do check it out. It's free, it's awesome, so there are plenty of things to see. There's no way out. We're now gonna go to Camden Market. We need to take 2 trains with several stops.
12 seconds later.
We've made it to Camden!
There's a street market.
It is such a cool area, colorful and crazy. So we're making our way now to Camden Market to eat late lunch and basically try every stall that we can. Camden Market is actually nearer Fitzrovia than it is the Natural History Museum, but since we stopped by there first, we had to take 2 trains, but it's okay. I can already see so many cool stores like Urban Outfitters, Vans, and then there are some independent shops as well. Lots and lots of places to check out. There's even like a Changge area. Later we can check that out. Market. There are a lot of food stalls here, a lot of cool independent shops, just a whole bunch of really awesome stuff. So we're gonna look for places to buy some food and snack because because seriously, I am ready.
I'll give you this sweatshirt that says Nutella. My hair. Can you fix my hair?
What's wrong with your hair? You look so good. We're just having a wander right now. Really cool CD shop. That is sick. One of the places that we want to go to here is the mac and cheese place. Again, like I said, there's a whole mix of things. There's food, there's clothes, accessories, bunch of different independent shops. Very Changgit vibes, but at the same time, they've got a lot of cool brands. The Mac Factory. I saw this on YouTube. Trina heard about it as well. They specialize in mac and cheese pots. Mom and I are gonna get the posh spice one. Trina, which one do you want?
Still thinking.
Just queuing up. Mom, this is gonna be our first meal. Are you ready? Mom and I are gonna share it so we can eat more food. I kind of want to get the vegan falafel. Don't you want to try halloumi fries also? Katrina! Here are our mac and cheeses. So Trina went for the Mambo Italiano and Mom and I are sharing the posh spice. Verdict.
Good.
Mac Factory.
Really good.
This posh spice is really nice if you're into spicy chorizo. Wonderful. How's your Mambo Italiano? Oh yeah. BRB I'm gonna eat. Now we are looking for Trina's steakhouse. So it turns out we've been looking around for steakhouse. It's right here. We're trying halloumi fries now. I've always wanted to try halloumi cheese. This looks so good. Halloumi fries with pomegranate seeds and a bunch of different sauces. I've always wanted to try halloumis. Yay for me. It's fried cheese. 10 out of 10. I just spotted this old school photo booth that I've been wanting to try here in London, and we found one in Camden. And we're so cute in the pictures. What am I looking at?
I don't know.
Guys, ano nangyayari dito? Tingnan po nyo. Karla, ano yung tinitingnan mo?
Mom doesn't care about the results of the picture.
I know. Instead of caring about new memories, Mom is like, oh, la-di-da-di-da. These are so cute. I love it. Oh, I'm gonna keep it forever. So cute. Trina, I'm surprised you don't want. There's rice. Okay, we now made it to the Asian part, and Mom got this array of Asian stuff. Here now at Magic Falafel, the kind man let me try a falafel with their famous sauce. It was vegan and delicious. Hello! Got some vegan baklava. It looks really good. Are you excited to try it? What did you get? Oh my god, what is that? We just went to a vegan place and you got like
Polish sausage. I think you have to try it. I got you mustard because I don't like mustard. And A+. We just finished off at the Egyptian jewelry part. Mom got 2 rings, really nice rings, and the shop owner's number. Okay, Mom, our mother has more game than us. He literally gave our mom his number. And what did he tell you? wants to see me again. too?
If I'm free to call him tonight.
May jowa na po si Mommy sa London. Serial Killer Cafe! There's a vintage shop here and a vintage shop there and Serial Killer Cafe. So this is the famous cafe that literally just serves cereal. Do you guys mind if I get before we go? They have coffee here? Yeah. I've been wanting to go here since I saw it in a YouTube video of like these travel vloggers. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. They have oat milk, Chin. Here's the menu in Serial Killer. They have cereal milk coffee and then they've got their different cereal bowls. And here are all the cereals that you can choose. Mom, do you want cereal?
No thanks.
How about a hot chocolate? This is so cool. Coolest cafe. Oh my god, look at the table, it's a bed. Sorry, I was so loud. I'm so sorry, I got so excited. Because I saw this on YouTube, so like when I saw it in person, right? What the heck? This is the coolest cafe. Please, if you're going to Camden Market, you have to go to Serial Killer. The one who gets a holiday romance is Mom. It's a really pretty ring though, Mom. Did you say yes? I decided to get a coffee. I have a cereal milk coffee. This is a hot latte with Cocoa Pops cereal milk that looks divine. And Trina has a curiously cinnamon iced oat latte. Pieces of cereal in it.